Creating WYSYWYG images with ChatGPT. So if you've never used AI before, we're going to start with ChatGPT, and that's by a developer called OpenAI. One of the founders of this product is Elon Musk. So you're going to click on the Try ChatGPT, and you're going to sign up. And I think the easiest way to sign up is to use Continue with your Google Gmail. So you're going to click on that, click on your account, and then it's going to log you in as a free account. As soon as you log in, you're going to be shown a prompt. And for this one, we're going to create an image, and it's really important about how you describe what you want. Okay, it's like computer programming in a sense that the computer is only going to do what you tell it to do. So the first prompt, we're going to say, create an image of a pig flying with wings. Make the pig roughly 300 pounds in weight. Also, I want to make this image look realistic, and we're also going to try to make the pig fly over a pasture. So in less than a minute, ChatGPT is going to create an image for you and see how close it is to your imagination. As the picture loads, it's not exactly what I was thinking. That looks far bigger than 300 pounds, but it's pretty cool in less than a minute. So I'm going to make some adjustments here. ChatGPT asks if you want any adjustments, so I'm going to write, the pig looks far bigger than 300 pounds. The pig also looks a little dead to me, like the pig I dissected in biology class, so I want to make the pig pinker and have it flying over a herd of cows. And then see what adjustments are made by ChatGPT. So it's going to be thinking, and in a moment we're going to have our second photo in ChatGPT. I must admit that I am a little disappointed in the size of the pig. I think it's way too big compared to the size of a cow. That's more like a 30,000 pound pig. And I was hoping that the cows would be looking up at the pig as if something were wrong. So I'm going to try for a third time, and it's really important to use your words well and describe exactly what you want. So I'm going to create an image of a normal sized pig flying over a herd of cows. Now, I use hyphens, so when I want normal size, I want the computer to know exactly that I want a normal sized pig. And I also want to add a farmer on a tractor looking up in amazement at this pig. So your free account with ChatGPT only allows you to make 3 images per 24-hour period. So this is my last shot for the day of making an image that I want. As soon as the third one is created, it's going to give me an image creation limit. So that's a bummer, but I do like what came up. I don't like that it came up as a pink tractor. I never told it to have a pink tractor. Realistically, it just makes it a lot easier. I can take this photo into Photoshop and easily change the size of the pig, which is much easier than making a traditional WYSYWYG in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Also, thanks for subscribing, hitting the thumbs up, hitting the bell, and checking out other stuff on drnickcornwell.com.